Hello everybody, my name is Khaled Siddiqui, and in this video I'm going to teach you how to put the little string, or I should say the little hand strap in the new DJI Pocket 2. The holder, or I should say the little hole where it goes, is too small and many people are having problems putting it in. So I'm going to teach you how to do it easily. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to remove this and then put it again in front of you so that you see how I did it. My tips of my fingers are yellow because I was doing painting with my little girl. Okay, so that's how it is. This is how it basically is, like that. And you want to put it in without having to, go through hell. And I'm going to tell you how. First thing you need to do is get a little needle. See, this is a little needle. Close this in. Close it. And put it in. You have to really make sure it gets small like that. It gets really small. Put it in and push it in, and then with this needle, pry it out. Watch. So you need a needle, that's all. Once you pried it out, you open it and you feed the top through it, and there you go. We have it just like the way we want it. Nice and easy with the help of a small pen. Now these pens, you can get these when you buy a new shirt. This particular one came with this shirt that I bought, this shirt. So there you go. Simple as that, Things are never too hard, and all you have to do is know the tricks. All right, thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe.